Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day, staying safe. So today we've got the Power Rangers Lightning Collection ZEO Rangers, and it's going to be the full lot of ZEO or anything that's with the series. So this one's the cogs, and yes, I kind of keep stuff in their boxes like the hockey cards, comic books and so on when I'm not using the actual boxes. So in Power Rangers ZEO, Goldar lost his wings. So I say this is ZEO, as I don't really remember much with Goldar not having his wings in Mighty Morphin. So that's why I'm putting in this one with ZEO as well. So that was Goldar. So we've got Yellow Ranger, which is cool. I like the weapon, the accessories, the blaster, the whatever you call in this one at the bottom. But they did make it wrong. And we'll get into that a bit later when I show the figures. So the Cog Twin Pack, pretty cool one. It's not been opened and probably won't get opened for a while, but there is one of these open as we got them discounted, and Yellow Ranger was roughly £10 and this was happily half price, so that's pretty good. So next we have the Blue Ranger, and he comes with his, well, he doesn't come with his actual weapons. He comes with the blaster and the weird thing that they didn't make right. So that's the only disappointing one. You actually have to buy the cog just to get his weapons. So Hasbro, that was just a mean trick. Then we've got Adam, as you can't have Adam without Rocky. Or the other way around, as I'm showing you Adam now. So the green ZEO Ranger, which I quite like, as he's one of my favourite Rangers of all time. Adam and Rocky are, so pretty happy to have them. Then we've got the pink ZEO Ranger, and funny enough, they decided they're gonna put the pink Mighty Morphin in the same box. Okay, well, annoying as that is, yeah, it's good to have extras so we can pose them as need be, I guess. But we're definitely taking a look at the figures themselves in a little bit. So I have Tommy. He has his, well, basically a sword and blaster, of course, and that weird weapon that should not be placed that way. Like, seriously, Hasbro, have you never watched Power Rangers? Or did you just go Bandai made it, or make it like Bandai did. So Gold Ranger, and let's open Gold, as I need to take him out of the box. So his accessory looks a bit naff. Well, the effect, which I don't really care about in any way. The only thing I care about is the figure and the spearheads and so on. They aren't really needed. So we got Gold Ranger. I will say this, it seems stable, the shield. Bit flimsy, the head movements. The arms a bit stiff. As always, they're stiff. So, other than that, the legs seem to move reasonably well. But out of all the 6 Rangers, this is one of my favourite. So had to get him. Good, they put it right around. Movement there's reasonable, I guess. I kind of think they were a bit lazy on the power star. As like that should move down, especially as that's open. So that's been made wrong. They've done that specifically to give you the Jason box set one. So that's the only way to get that, is by buying the Jason box set to get the stuff right. So that bit should be here when that's open. As after all, the actual toy did that. It moved down once it opened up. So let's get the figures posed and we'll have a look.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing Won't bother hiding my roots.